Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV. It has the PureTech automatic gearbox with 110 horsepower. It's also the Allure specification, which gives you 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensor. Inside you've got Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip depending on the conditions outside. 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also get dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done just over 100 miles. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.